Dŵr. It's important to us in Wales. It keeps us healthy and it's available at millions of homes across the land. In other parts of the world, this isn't always the case. Water is a precious resource we sometimes take for granted. It's thanks to you, the staff, partners and customers of Dŵr Cymru. Over the last 10 years, we have raised more than £1 million for WaterAid, an international charity that works in some of the poorest communities worldwide, providing access to safe water, sanitation and hygiene. 8 of our staff members got the chance to see firsthand how the international charity transformed lives when they visited water and sanitation projects in the Karamoja region of Uganda.
What struck us after even just the first half day up there was this isn't just a challenge of deploying assets on the ground. This is real behavioural change, cultural beliefs that are probably quite hard for us back in the UK to comprehend.
The impact of sanitation is just massive. It has so many knock-on effects. Without clean sanitation, people become ill. If people can't clean themselves, then sickness can spread. And if people can't safely wash their hands or safely wash their dishes, you just can't keep yourself from ill health. It's something that we take for granted every single day back at home.
The bottom half of the village tend to use this drinking hole instead of going up to the pump because it's too far. And basically the kids use it, the cattle go down to the water's edge and drink from it. I wouldn't particularly want my daughter to drink out of it.
WaterAid Uganda, I think, are very capable and knowledgeable. They know the region, they know the areas, they know the problems, making sure that we're not just going in straight away and digging boreholes. It's starting from the ground up and doing a behavioural change and motivating the people, and they know how to do that. They know where to invest the time and the energy as well as the finance. Yeah, I feel very confident that Welsh Water should be supporting WaterAid in the Marlu.
Last year, Welsh Water staff, partners and customers raised over £75,000, which is enough to reach 5,000 people with safe, clean water. Over the next 5 years, all funds raised will go directly to WaterAid projects in Uganda, and we will follow the progress of the small town of Numalu. Please get involved, donate, fundraise and campaign to help us transform lives in Uganda and contribute to WaterAid's vision of a world where everyone, everywhere, has safe water, sanitation and hygiene.